Recurring billing through the simple interface. From your home page, click on the Customers tab. To add a customer, hit the blue Add Customer button at the bottom of your page. Here you have the option to create a profile for your customer. On the left-hand side is your customer's information. You can put as little or as much information as you'd like. USAePay does not require you to enter any information here. It is solely for your informational purposes. If you wish for your customer to be emailed each time their card on file is charged, go ahead and check off the Send Customer Receipt box at the bottom. Make sure that you place their email address in the email field above that. The receipt message field allows you to include any messages with their receipt. The notes section below that is for internal notes. Only you and anyone you've granted access to the console will be able to see these notes. Your customer will not be able to see this on their receipt. On the right-hand side is the billing schedule. Schedule Enabled is automatically checked off. That means the system will automatically run on a recurring basis. The schedule is the frequency of the charge. We have everything from daily to annually and everything else in between. The start date and the next date are the same when you go to add someone for the first time. The start date will always remain the same as a reference point for you to know when your customer began. It's the next date, however, that determines the date that the card will be billed. And as each successful payment is drafted, this date will change to reflect the next scheduled date. Num left is the number of charges. If the customer is going to be ongoing with their charges until they choose to cancel, you can leave the asterisks in there. Tax is an optional field. You can either put a tax amount or leave it blank. Each payment amount is the amount that will be drafted. If you are placing an amount in the tax field, please keep in mind this amount will not be added to your each payment amount field. The each payment amount field does need to include taxes, shipping, or any other fees you may have. Order ID and description are optional fields. You can choose to put something there or leave it blank. And source and user, we recommend leaving these at recurring and auto. These let us know where the transaction originated, and it's helpful for tracking purposes. Down at the bottom is your customer's payment information. You would enter their card number or expiration date. If you are supporting ACH processing, you'll have the option to place a routing number, account number, type of account, format, driver's license, and license state. Once you've entered the customer's information, hit Save, and this will create the profile for automatic recurring billing.